Morning everybody. So today we're starting off in the bathroom. I'm about to wash my face because I didn't do it yesterday. I took a shower last night, but I didn't wash my face. So plans for today, I think we're going to go to the Dallas area to take some pictures with this friend of ours. Yeah, I think that's all we pretty much have planned for today. I need to go by Office Depot because I ordered one of those like portfolio books to put pictures in, just so I can have like a visual of stuff that I do. I need to go pick that up. I ordered it offline, so I think it's ready to pick up today. But other than that, I don't really think we have anything planned for today. So get rid of these dark marks on this cheek and this cheek. I think that's where I have most of my hyperpigmentation. For the most part, my skin has cleared up, so at least it did that. This one is a pretty new one. That might take a while for it to go away. This has been like this for a while. It's lightened, but it's still there. We'll work on it. Let's go see what Nail's up to. Hi! You're blue. Better. What are you doing? You blew it out last night? Oh, it might be done. The candle. Well, yeah, that too. What are you making? It's bacon. I was gonna ask you if you're gonna make breakfast this morning. Because when I did it, it was horrible. Oh my gosh. Oh crap. Look how fancy that looks. See, I only added pepper and salt. And we don't have cheese, do it? Oh, look at the bacon. We're both equally tired this morning, or look tired. Are you gonna wash your hair? Or yeah. About 1 o'clock right now, and I'm about to start getting ready, waiting for Nail to get back from the gym. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get ready because it only takes me about 20-30 minutes to do my makeup, maybe less depending on what I do. But I just threw my outfit together. I haven't figured out the shoe situation yet, but for the most part I got the outfit part. I just have this Tommy shirt. This is from Urban Outfitters, and then these pants that I freaking love so much are from American Apparel. They don't sell them anymore, and I definitely need a size medium, but since they don't sell it anymore, I kind of deal with it. They still fit. It just, when I eat, I have to unbutton it because it's too tight. But I love these pants so much, and I haven't been able to find like a similar pair that's like the perfect high waist with the perfect like pinstripes. So I just kept them forever. They don't sell them on the website anymore. I know American Apparel is owned by Gildan, I believe, and I thought that they would have everything that they had before they reopened the website, but these pants aren't on there, so it makes me really sad. But it's okay. For the jacket. Wow, it's really blue. So I'm just gonna wear this white puffer jacket. It looks massive, but it's actually really thin. That's from H&M. And then I'm just gonna wear these red glasses because there's a little red in the Tommy shirt. So that's my pop of color. But yeah, I'm about to do my makeup really quick. Then we're gonna get this day started. Here's my attempt at vlogging. Also, I added more makeup to my makeup caddy that I had bought from Target. I actually got me this for Christmas, I want to say last year. I added a few Kylie lips that I have that I forget that I have because I don't have them out. And I added some more highlighters. And then these two right here are those Stila, like, I don't even know what they're called. The glitter stuff that you put on your eyes. Oh, this one is an oldie. This right here is such an oldie. Like, everybody used to use this, but I forget about it, so I just put it out. But I really do like these concealers. And then I just put a few lip stuff over here. But this is Lipland. Oh crap. Lipland Cosmetics. If you follow Reezy on Instagram, she had a collab with them, and I really like this purple shade, so I'm excited to start using this again. Okay, now we start on our makeup, and I will see you guys afterwards. Ooh. Where's the lining? Oh, there it is. All right, so I just got done getting ready. It's almost 2 o'clock, so my hair is doing crazy things. We'll figure it out, I guess. MySpace. So I threw my 2 chains on that I always wear. These are from It's Irish Jewelry. Stuck my hand out the door, and it's chilly, but it's not cold enough for me to throw that coat on, so I'm ditching the coat for now. Then for shoes, wearing my Como des Garçons low tops. Love. Need to clean. Well, actually, I'm just waiting on Nail to get ready or get finished. I'm waiting for Nail to finish getting ready. And then we're gonna go to West Village, which is about 30 minutes away from us. And then we're gonna take some pictures. And then we're gonna meet some people at a restaurant that we haven't figured out yet. But that's okay. That's how you do your hair? You don't want to throw it in a bun? Cute! These are her new clothes from Pretty Little Thing. Almost ready. Good morning, everybody. We're back in the bathroom today. After we left the apartment, I got like a few clips. Everything else was just on my story on Instagram. Sorry about that. Pretty much just around with our friends Kristen and Brian while they shot some stuff. And then after that, we went to this, forgot what it was called, but it was a burger place. It was pretty good, and I was pretty tired after that. When we got home around 8 or 9 o'clock, literally like laid in bed for like an hour, and then I passed out. Today is Sunday. I just got out of the shower, so I'm about to do my hair so it could be somewhat dry for later. But we are going to brunch at 1:30 to this place called St. Anne's. I think it's in Dallas somewhere. So doing that, and then we're going to this event that starts at 2 but ends at 6. So I guess we're just gonna go there after brunch. That's pretty much all we have planned for today. Hopefully I will do a better job at vlogging today and actually get some footage. It doesn't seem like I'm always in the apartment not doing anything. That's just the update for today, and we'll see how long this vlog is gonna be. That's all I got for now. So I just came back from Office Depot because we didn't go yesterday. I guess we could have gone yesterday, but I kind of forgot. I remembered when we left, but then I forgot when we were headed home. By the time that we got home, I was gonna go back out, but they closed at 9 and it was like 9:05. I was just like, okay, well, you know, I wasn't expecting it to look like this. For $6, I guess, don't expect much. But yeah, it's just like a presentation book. I really wanted like one of the leather ones. I was just needing one to put the pictures in. So for now, this will do. Comes with 24 pages with the slips in it. Link it down below if you want to get one too. It was $6 or $6.99, and I think it was like 20% off one item. So it was $6 if you want to go that route that I'm trying to go. So right now, I did my hair already. I told myself that I was going to do it early so it has some time to somewhat dry and I don't look like a wet dog all day. It's still going to be flat. Try diffusing it maybe in a couple hours and see how it looks. Every time I diffuse my hair, it doesn't look right, so that's why I don't do it. I just normally air dry. What am I wearing today? I don't know. I'll figure it out, I guess. I will update you guys when I have an update, or I guess when we're out the door. This is the look that I went for. Pretty different. Not different, but I change it up every now and then. This hat is from Forever 21. This is a bodysuit. This is nails from Forever 21. The dress is from Urban, and then the shoes are from H&M. So the restaurant is about 15 minutes away, so I should, yeah, I'll be a little late, but I should make it on time. I'll see you guys at the restaurant. Here's my outfit.